passion that I think transcends not only time, but I think generations and cultures over the course of its life.
Made it up to Bowling Green, Kentucky. We're here at the Corvette Museum, and for anybody that has never been here before, we've only just arrived, and this is incredible to see all these old cars. They got a simulator bleep that out in front that you can drive, and we've just watched the Corvette documentary film that they've made. But this is so really cool. You can go and interactive map, really cool. So could you see yourself sitting inside one of these? Imagine this with the luxuries of a new car. Oh, and that's this car. Pretty cool. This is pretty cool. There was a massive sinkhole here a couple of years ago, and this shows you just where all the cars ended up. So that's the dome where they were in. And then that's where all the different cars ended up. I don't know why that one's light isn't working. Maybe that car didn't make it. Okay, none of these are working. Oh, there we go.
You gotta hold them in.
There we go. Pace car. That one's not working.
Oh!
That one.
Oh! No.
Nope, that car died. Oh, there we go.
Did that car die?
Yep, there we go.
That car died.
Very cool. These here are then putting all the cars out the hole.
That car died. 3, 2,
I'm not going to lie, that was a little bit over-exaggerated and under-delivered. We expected loud bangs and noise, and the kids thought they were going to die, but we didn't. This here is one of the cars that they pulled out the hole, and they didn't do a really good buffing job on it, but it's still pretty cool to see what happened, and just to stand here and look at it and go, that there is the outline.
Like a magnet. Yeah! To the next one.
Next one. This isn't as easy as it looks.
How'd that go?
I'm going to pretend this is the van.
1, 2, 3, go!
Uh-oh!
Someone lucky enough to get their new Corvette here at the museum. Bucket list item, but probably that'll only happen when the C13 comes out and then I can afford it.
We gotta beat Richard, okay? Say beat Richard. Yell it.
Ruby's on my team.
Yell it loud.
Yell it loud.
Say beat Richard really loud.
Beat Richard very loud.
Going with me, Jeannie. Okay, time to beat 211.
Are you ready, Junie? Yeah. Can I get a thumbs up?
Yeah, I just gotta lower the seat a bit. There we go. Okay.
And then push really hard on the brakes whenever you want to slow down.
Okay.
But you don't have to shift gears or anything, and you're good to go smooth.
Cool.
Alright, are you ready?
Yep. Are you ready? You ready, Junie? Let's go. Handbrake down. No pressure here.
No.
Just got to make it under 2 minutes. Are you watching where we're going? Are you standing on the front seat? Are you allowed to do that? Okay, just in the game, right? No pressure there. Because Ruby's standing on the front seat. Hey, Ruby. Oh, good lad, let's go, let's go. I've lost all steer. I'm going.
Go with you.
I'm better in real life, promise. Anybody want to give me their C8 to try? I think the tires are shot off the bend road. Oh, yeah. Ben, I beat you. That matters. I think I knocked out the wheel alignment. We crashed, but we won.
Well, I guess we're gonna get you a ticket.
Okay, are you this tall to drive? Are you that tall?
Yeah, she is.
Almost, almost. We'll have to come back again when you're that tall and then we can race each other.
Hey,
Okay.
Ruby, can I
Say
tell
deal.
you a secret? I think you beat Uncle Richard. He drove terrible.
He did drive pretty bad, didn't
I'll
he?
tell you, like as soon as you go off-road, the tires are... Man, that was awesome. Super cool getting to drive our very first, I think that's a C6. You guys can tell me in the comments below, but that's it for this video. Stick around, we'll see you in the next one. And that couple down there is nice enough to be getting the delivery of their own Corvette. So that's very cool to witness and to see.